Welcome to Hutchinson's Beach, Hutchinson Stream from the Stewart-McLeod Park in Chipman. Great little boat launch, actually kayak rentals if you don't have your own or you don't want to bring your own. And we're just going upstream as far as we can go here. It's kind of an open water. Then we might go check out the main river.
Don't hit them, don't run them over. Ah.
Oh, they got bubbles in them to hold them up. That is so weird. It's a cool little cove. Oh, something just jumped there. That noise. Werewolf? Oh, look at him, right here.
Where?
Right here, the osprey.
Oh, I see them. Following us.
Yeah. Yeah, they look like beaver trails down over the hill there.
You think they're beaver trails?
I think so. Like going up and pulling trees down over the hill.
Oh, okay, yeah. So those ones like that, those leaves?
Yeah. See the purple flowers?
Oh, I see them now. There's a whole
Yeah.
bunch of them there. Oh, those are pretty.
Yeah, they're cool.
It's pretty out here.
Yeah, it's nice.
There was a fish trying to jump out of the water to get a bug that was walking across the water.
Oh, wow, he's close. Little sparrow. Got him on wide angle.
Oh, there's a deer.
That's a deer.
That's a deer.
He's trying to smell us. He's trying to smell the air, smell us. Yeah. That was cool.
You scared him.
Told ya.
Tell me what?
That a deer would come out. Second one this year. I think I might have to pull out my skag.
You think I should?
No, I think we're good for a minute here. Let's still keep going. I think if we get over that channel, we can keep going. I think there's a little ditch, but I don't think he'd get through that. Yeah. gonna try. There's a little ditch here that goes over, but it's pretty grassy, so I don't know.
Where? How did you get in there?
Just right through the grass.
This grass right here?
Yeah, there's a little ditch there. Watch out for the piranhas. Pretty sure that's what kind of fish attacked me. That's a lot wider place to go back if we need to go back that way. This must be dammed off somewhere.
Yeah.
It's strange. It's like the main channel, but it's like grown right in. Oh, there's a way through right there. Oh, we just took the wrong way.
Like there's a dam up there.
Yeah, I think we're gonna hit a dam here at some point. Yeah. Oh, we can keep going.
Start of one anyway.
Yeah, looks like they tore it out or somebody tore it out or something.
Lots of bubbly slime.
I know, it's gross.
I live in a dream. Baby, you're my angel. I'll do anything to make you smile. With you, I'm in heaven. When you kiss me, I turn to a star. And nothing can break us apart when we're together. Facing the sky, we know that we can fly on the wings of love.
Yeah, there's some logs that are put in over there, so it's kind of blocked off.
Oh. I wonder if they dammed it off here. Yeah, I bet you that's what happened. They dammed it off here, that's where it used to go out. And then that overflowed over into here.
Probably.
Weird. Did you hear that noise?
What?
Did you hear that noise or is that me?
I hear all kinds of noises.
And we can climb on every mountain top. I never knew eternity was real. I've loved you since that day. I live in a dream. I live in a dream.
That's a nice sunset. You excited?
Yep. Totally totes.
I'm gonna miss it all together if I don't lollygagging. Oh, that'll push us right out.
Huh?
There's quite a little current going through here. Whee!
Whee.
Bum, bum, bum. Oh god, hit the side. Oh god, hit the side. This is the taco pal.
I said.
Busy. Busy. Watch out. Be careful. Be careful. Weird, eh? Nice. Why is the river flowing upwards?
That?
I'd like to know.
What is the what?
Why is the river flowing upriver?
I don't know, because it wants to.
Actually, the river's on the other side of that berm. This is like a lake pond thing. The river's on the left side of those hardwoods.
Oh. Well, can you go that way?
You can. Yeah, that's the river right there. That's like the point of this like stretch
Oh,
of
and then the
land.
river's on the other side?
Yeah. Like over to the right, there's a little channel that goes up along the shore and it ends up in the river again. Looks like it anyway.
Ends up in the river again.
Yeah.
The river's over there.
Yeah, I know. It goes up around and joins back up in a point there. Yeah,
Like
just like that. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, I don't think this goes very far. That's the end of the road.
We live in a dream. We live in a dream. We live in a dream.
How many kilometers did we do?
3.
No, we're not that slow.
4?
6.
You think we did 6?
No, we did. I didn't mention it.
Oh.
We did 6 in a little over 2 hours.
Oh, wow, look at us.
Covered a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next time I'll have to come back and cover the river.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, it was cool.
It's
I liked
nice.
it.
Yeah.
Stewart-McLeod Park in Chipman. Come check it out.
Yeah. It's really nice. I like it. I would come back here.
Yeah. No, I'll be coming back here for sure.
5 stars.
5 stars?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It was nice.
It was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Till next time. Hope to see you in the water and on the trail. That was terrible. That was terrible. You say it.
Hope to see you next time on the water or
Or the trail.
On the trail. On the water or the trail. Or both.
I don't think at the same time we could both, but
You could just like,
Yeah.
go on the trail.
that was
You,
good.
I mean, not me.
Yeah.
I'll just like walk behind.